Are tracking the potential for some strong storms overnight. Let's get back to our team weather coverage, Tim Pandages and Pat Kavlin. So what's the timeline here, guys?
Yeah, so we're looking at a window of opportunity opening up after midnight through around 6 a.m. and most of the stronger storms will likely be isolated well to the north, well north of I-10. Now out there this evening, we're watching our fetch come in off the Gulf of Mexico, bring in moisture that is now being kind of consolidated into some showers and thunderstorms. Some heavier downpours now moving along the I-45 corridor, streaming up from Galveston, now headed towards LaPorte, Pasadena eventually, just moved through League City, about to move over the Sam Houston Parkway, so it's evening commute. You're going to get wet out there if you're in those areas, so plan accordingly for that timeline. There's our storm system well to the north. It'll drop on into north central and eastern portions of Texas overnight tonight, and that does bring with it the threat for some strong storms. Here it is north of I-10 in the green, level 1, just clipping Walker County, Huntsville area overnight tonight with a level 2, but you can see that threat really grows as we head well to the north. Dallas under a level 3, over to Shreveport, over through northern Louisiana and into Mississippi and Jackson, all the same areas that just went through another round about 5 days ago. Pat, now as we go through the overnight hours tonight, how does Future Track and the modelings handle things?
Okay, so we are going to, again, like you were saying, see the highest threat farther to the north. So the threat levels break down, you know, with wind, with hail, with flooding like that, but they're all very low. So between 12 and 6 in the morning, the strong wind threat, I mean, it's very, very low here, only in the yellow. And then the hail threat, also very low in the green, along with the flooding and the tornado threat. So as low as these threats can go, that's pretty much where we're at. The only threat that we could see is the chance for maybe a wind gust across our northern counties. So 7:30 in the morning, we're just seeing again those garden variety showers. As we look ahead towards the rest of the evening into the first part of the overnight now, 1:30 in the morning, this is where we're watching for some bigger thunderstorms up towards Bryan College Station into the Huntsville area. Everyone else though still just seeing those showers. And as we keep going in time, the threat pretty much disappears by the morning hours. Clouds stick around, but a few showers linger. It's by mid-morning that we start to clear things out. And then beyond that, as we get into the afternoon, the big story becomes the building heat. And as Tim mentioned, we could see temperatures challenge records as we get into the afternoon tomorrow.
Yeah, we certainly could, Pat. Watch what happens as those skies clear out. Temperatures jump up to around 90 degrees. Now, if in fact we hit that 90 at Bush, it'll be the first time we hit 90 or warmer since October 25th, and it's also coming in about a month ahead of schedule of when we normally see our first 90-degree day. Add in dew points, it's going to make it feel a little bit hotter, so heat index values are going to be talked about tomorrow afternoon into the evening. Now, here's the standing records for tomorrow at College Station, Bush, Hobby, Galveston, all in the low 90s, matching or getting close to matching at College Station. Likely just under the record at Bush. Looks like we'll tie it at Houston, and Galveston will come in way under that. So here's tomorrow's forecast. The morning shower and storm chance gives way to clearing skies and jumping temperatures and humidity. Your 7-day forecast, after we get past the storm threat tonight, we are in for a gorgeous stretch of weather. Much lower humidity moves in here by Thursday. Highs only in the 70s, and that nice weather lasts right through the weekend. Guys?
All right, Tim, thank you.